Going Green, Cutting the Carbon Footprint of Your Office by Tonya Bowden. Going green is a phrase used to describe the process of changing for the benefit of the environment. Organizations that make this decision know the impact their actions will have on global warming, pollution, and other environmental concerns. The three top changes implemented are living more sustainable, switching to environmentally friendly products, and recycling. Joann Fabrics will focus on going green by implementing carpooling, janitorial services and products, and recycling programs. These programs will limit natural resources, minimize the damage products have on the environment, and decrease the landfill space. A cross-functional team created by the HR training staff will be put into place to research and execute the programs. Each team will consist of team members at all levels of the company and will have a leader in place to make sure the programs are being put together according to training guidelines provided. Creating these teams will not only accomplish the goals of the program, but will be a way for everyone to enhance their team building skills. When a company is not green, they are simply wasting natural resources. Additional emissions are being discharged into the air because of the amount of traffic on the road. Employees could be having allergic reactions to the harsh chemicals used in the cleaning products. Tree after tree after tree is being destroyed just to make those unnecessary copies for the office meeting. Implementing a green program will assist in eliminating some of these issues. These programs will take some time to put together. The cross-functional teams will work tirelessly in order to ensure they are following all guidelines and standards to reach the final goal. However, there are some things the employees can do to get started. The existing janitorial team can begin to research green products and standards to see if their company currently qualifies. If not, Joann's can look into the cost of products until the final program has been implemented. Working with companies on trial basis to test their recycling programs would also be a great start. There are many ways these programs can get started before the final process is put into place. Now that we have put our teams together and put a short-term plan into place, we must set goals that are measurable and implement the programs. Our top goals are customer focus, team building, data collection, and continuous improvement. The cross-functional team will be able to create and perform processes for the programs that center around these goals. A scenario will be put into place for each program and then tested for outcomes. The teams will be able to look at additional opportunities and any challenges that will arise prior to final implementation. After all the data is collected, testing is complete, and guidelines have been determined, each program can be put into action. Carpooling. The parking lot will have designated signed spaces that indicate where employees that are using this service will be able to park. Joann's company portal will be used to post rules and regulations as well as sign-up sheets for the program. HR will be responsible for sending notifications out once all requirements have been met. For janitorial service and products and recycling, once all contracts have been signed with the final selected company, a confirmed start date can be set. Creating effective programs is only the beginning. Joann's will put a process in place in order to monitor and evaluate the progress of each program as standards and regulations change. For the first 90 days of the program, we will be sending out feedback requests for the programs. The programs will not be successful if the entire company is not buying into and participating in the process. In the end, each program will have been made successful through many partners. each Joanne team member contributed in some way to getting the programs implemented and becoming successful. Now that we have crossed the hurdles and completed the race, Joanne's will be sending out marketing communication to vendors and adding signage within our stores to show that we are proud to be environmentally friendly while serving the community.